Welcome. If you want to add events to calendar in your LG K41s, for the first you have to go for your calendar. So mine will be right here in the Google folder. Let's enter. Click on this arrow 2 times if you are using it for the first time, then click on the We Got It. Tap right here and choose event. Right here we have to enter the new name, and we can set up other things like time zone. You can also add location and the notification. So if you set up everything, just click on the right upper corner on the save button, and as you can see, here is our event. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.